Hey, Rodney Geisler here with Smart Seal Foam Insulation, and we are in Hico, Texas, a little ways out in the country, but got a beautiful house that our guys foamed this last week, so I wanted to come in and look at it. So here you go. We're going to look at some walls here. There you are. So 2x4 walls, full cavity, filled in, and so get that filled in right here around the wood, where you got double wood. We put caulking in there around the windows. You put the poly seal to seal that. Up in the attic, you notice up in the attic we got it where it is 5.5 inches of open cell in the attic, and then they have a gable. This one, let's look down there at the end, and there's our gable wall way up there. So gable wall has at least 4 inches. That one looks like they did about 5, so they got a little extra foam. Now the homeowner themselves have gone in and they put up some bats that they got for some sound, because this is a laundry room and this is going to be the kitchen, so they wanted a little separation on some sound there. So they put up some sound bats themselves to help with some of those kind of things. But we love doing houses. This house was done by a crew, basically prepped, caulked, sealed, foamed, cleaned up, all in one day. So it was a long, very long day. Typically, this is about a 2-day job for a 2,400 square foot house. And so, love to help you. If we can help you out in any way, get a hold of us at smartsealfoam.com, or you can call us at 817-573-5294.